Hi everyone, so today I want to share with you a few Capris that were at the Nottingham Automobile Show. Ford Capri. I ain't had a Ford Capri, but I have been in plenty of passenger rides in one. And when I broke my hand and I got a lift home, with Mick next door who had a 2.8 litre Capri. Sounds beastly. Oh, it's a bike, I think. There's a whole bunch of Capris here. That's a nice one. Gear. It's a gear Capri, that one. So, let's have a look in the gear. Just look at these cars. Absolutely. 2 litre gear. It's a 2 litre one. What? This one? V8. It's a 3 litre one. That's got light brown with leather. It's a classic one, this one, not. It's been restored though, but. Personalised, not modified. There's an old one there, look. He's an old one. It seems to have done, yeah. Don't seem to be on now, does it? These are all different years, look.
1982 turbo.
No. It's a beast, that one. Well, I hope that brought back some memories if you used to own a Capri or remember somebody that did own one. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.